everyone. So we're going to talk about the best place to read. So first let's start in my classroom or in a classroom. Best places to read are probably in the classroom library, at your desk, maybe in the safe place. But there's lots of good places to sit and read. And when you're at home, a good place to read would maybe be in your bedroom, in the living room, in the kitchen. There's a lot of good places to read. But when you read, you need to make sure that you have a quiet place to read, that there's not a lot of distractions around you. You want to make sure that you are focused on your reading. So as you read the words on the page, you're thinking about the book, not something else. You want to create that picture in your head and focus on what you're reading so that you get all of that information. You want to make sure that no one is distracting you and that you're in a place by yourself, or maybe not even by yourself, but make sure that people are quiet around you. You also want to make sure that the place is well lit. So maybe you have a lamp shining on your book, maybe your overhead light is on, maybe you have a little book light, but you want to make sure that you can read the page so you have enough light. Okay? But there are lots of places to read. My favorite place to read is in my bed at home. It's super comfy. I get my pillows all around me. I get under my blanket. I turn on my light on my nightstand, and I just lay in bed and I read. And it's my favorite place to read. But I make sure that it's quiet, it's well lit, and that I'm focused on my book. So I want you to practice that today. Use that 3-minute timer on Schoology. And I want you to put yourself in a quiet, well-lit place with no distractions. And I want you to try to read for 3 minutes. Pick your favorite spot in your house, the best place to read in your house, and sit there for 3 minutes, and I want you to practice reading. Okay? Have fun!